Hello, I'm Hunter Ayers here. So we're going to be doing welding. This is a welding helmet. You want to make sure that you have a welding helmet for welding, or else you'll get blind. These are welding gloves. So what welding gloves do is they keep the sparks out of your hand and make it so you don't get burnt. Next, we're going to talk about the ventilation. So this is the ventilation, so all fumes don't get caught in here and they get vented out. So we're going to talk about beads now. So this is actually a really bad bead. You want to do a way better bead than that. Right here, is a kind of good bead. Right here, that's a very good bead. So we're going to turn the welder on and we're going to get to welding. So this is a ground for the welder. You want to make sure that your ground tightly clamped down there. And this is a stick for the welder. Put the stick in there and wait. Get your welding gloves on and get your welding helmet on. And then you're ready for welding.
Fuzzy.
Okay, so we're gonna turn on the welder. It's at 95 right now. And you just want to brush the metal. Go back and forth. That really wasn't a good bead because I'm really not trying to lay down a good bead, but that's the end.